Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class we're just talking about the operators. There are a lot of kind of operators like the the arithmetical operators, the assignment operators, the conditional operator and the logical operator. First of all, I'm just going to teach you about the arithmetic operator. You basically already know about the arithmetical operator. They're not really typical, they're really simple, that the plus sign, the minus sign means the this one is the addition, that one is the subtraction. In the same way, the multiplication and the division. So by the way, how to use them? We can use them by using directly any integer or by using integer variables. And how? For example, I'm just creating a variable as var1 here, and now I'm just typing 8 here, and now plus, and then the var1, and then here this is 9. Okay, now how we can use them? If I just type ans and equal sign, now the var1, sorry, we have to use the dollar sign, now the var1. Now we can use any kind of operator like the plus, minus, multiply, division. So I'm just going to use the plus, the addition sign, and then the var1, var2. Well, this should be the var2, not the var1. In this way, I'm just modifying the var1 again from 8 to 9. Now go to the browser, press enter and type the echo and ans and check that out in the browser. Let's come and check. I'm just going to the browser, and here I'm just typing the localhost, localhost/learn php and press enter. Now you can see the 17 here. The 17 is 8, 9 equal to 17. Okay, so here I'm just typing, instead of the ans, I'm just typing add, and I'm just pressing enter and I'm just typing this subtraction. And now in a subtraction I can type the var1 and the subtraction sign and the 9, 8, whatever. Now here I just press enter and echo. I'm just gonna echo the br for now, br, and press enter again, another echo, and the sub spelling must be clear, the sub, and now save. And I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. I'm getting some kind of problem. Yeah, I'm just I'm just calling the ans, echoing the ans, so ans is not declared anywhere. I have to remove the ans, and it should be the add, the addition, and refresh the page. This is the 17, this is the 1, so they both are perfect. Something more, I'm just gonna go, I'm just pressing enter, and now, or here I should press enter, and then the pro means the product means the multiplication, etc. And here I'm just typing the var2 and multiply sign. One thing what is gonna clear, that you must know that the variable is case sensitive. If you typed var, the r as capital here, so there the r should be capital, otherwise no. So I'm just typing here the 7, and now save, and now I'm just going down and pressing enter. Oh, this should not be there. Now the echo, and I'm just typing the the pro. Before the pro I should type the echo br. Now save it. I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. So this is 63. That means all them is working. I think I should clear about the division also. So for now, the var1 divided by var2. Okay, save, and I'm just going there and echoing this, the br first. Okay, perfect. Now the echo, well, I'm just gonna echo now. I'm just gonna echo the div, and now save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. So now 0.88. Do you know about the modulus, the mod sign? It is another sign of the arithmetics. I'm gonna apply that. The mod equal to the var2 modulus. The percentage sign is actually the modulus sign, and then I'm just modeling it with the 9 or the 3. Okay, awesome. Now press enter, echo, mod, save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. I'm getting 0 only. That means the result of the var2 and the 3 is 0. var2 is 9, so I need to type the 18 for now and save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. Now this is 9. Well, because the 9 will left. So guys, in this way we just can use the arithmetic operator. But in the same way, we can use the assignment operator or the assigning operator as well. They're really important to use. Sometimes we often, in fact, we often use them, not sometimes. So how to do that? I'm just gonna press enter here and just to enter, okay, and then here, assignment operators. Awesome. You already know about the very common operator. For example, here I'm just creating the var3, okay, the var3, because the top one was the var2 only. So now the var3, and I'm just putting the value as 4 in a var3. Okay, now press enter. Now I'm just creating the var4, and now the var4 has no value, and I just want to give the value of the var3 to the var4. However, var3 has 3, 4, 5 or whatever. I'm just typing here the var3. Now what the meaning of that, if I just press enter and I'm just typing the ns, now there is no ns at the top. Just confirm that there is no ns. So, or instead of the ns, why not I just directly print the var4, so echo and the var4 and save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser, but before that I'm just gonna duplicate the echo and just pasting the echo there, and now save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. Now this is 4. The value of the var4 is 4. However, var4 has no value, but the var3 is value. Now if I just update the value of the var3, I just put here the 8. So now save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh. Now the value of the var4 is 8 for now. We are just echoing the var4. So basically this is the very simple and very common assigning operator. We are using this from a long time in a PHP, but in the same way we can use another one, the assigning. And let's just notice, if I just type here the a equal to, I'm just typing a for just convenience for you, a, and the value of a I'm just putting as 5 and pressing enter, and now the b, okay, the b, the value of the b is 9 for now, and press enter. So now what I just want to assign the value of b to a. Basically I just want to add the value of b into a. So what is the way I have to do? There are a lot more ways. For example, I'm just typing here the c and equal to a plus b. Now just go there and press echo and the br first, and then here the echo, the c, and now save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. Now this is 14, you know. So there is another best way to solve this issue. Why I just create the c instead of the c? I'm just typing here the a, because I just want to assign the value. What I just want to clear my point of view again. I just want to assign the value of b. I just want to add the value of b to the a. So the a should be 14, not the c. Here I just calculated both of the values. I just plussed both of the values, and I got the value of the actual value in a c. But actually what I just want to add the value of b into a. You know, I just don't want to create a new variable. So what is a way? Simply remove the c, or create a new variable a plus equal to a. I'm just assigning not equal. Okay, this is not the equal sign. I'm just clearing that any programming language, this is not called the equal sign. This is called the assignment operator. I'm assigning a to a plus b. Now the value of a plus b is actually assigning into a. So this is what I just want to clear you. If I just go there and echo, and I'm just echoing the br first, and the press enter and echo again, and the a for now. Save, and I'm just going to the browser and refresh the page. So now the a is 14 also. Okay, this is the best way, but this is the perfect way actually, if you just want to update any variable. Okay, in this way we just don't need to modify the variable, it just updated. So by the way, there is another best way which I just want to teach you in a assigning operator. These was the old ways. Now you know that when we just only want to add the value of the b into a, so there is another best way. This is called the assigning and addition operator. Assign and addition operator. The a plus plus and equal to. This is the assign. You can see that the add and assign operator, and then the b. Basically, now what happened here, the value of the b has been assigned to the a, but not in a modification way. This one is called the modification, but this is there we are not modifying the value of the a, the value of the a into b. Basically, I'm just adding the value because this is the add and assign operator. Basically, it's assigning, but actually the adding into the actual a. So now what I just need to do, I'm just making this one as the comment. Now the a again will be the 14, because refresh the page. Now you can see that this is still the 14, because now this is working for the 14. So if I just make this as commented, so save and now go back and refresh, so you can see that this one as 5. But if I just make that, so now save and go back to the browser and refresh, now this is 14. So this is what I just want to teach. Just press enter, and now I'm just typing here C equal to 6 and D equal to 8. Now save, and I'm just gonna go there. What I just want to subtract and assign the value. So the C minus, or the subtraction sign, and equal sign is basically a signing operator, and the D. Now save, and now I just want to see the value of the C. So press enter and echo the BR, save. This one should be deleted for now. Okay, the value, I'm just going to see the value of C. Refresh. Now the value of C is -2. Remove that one also. This is not necessary. Refresh. Why? Because I'm just subtracting the 8 from 6. So this is actually perfect. In the same way, if I just go there, I'm just gonna guide you all the E. Yes, the value for the E is 4. I'm just gonna teach about all the assigning operators, different kind of assigning operators. Now E and F. So go there and press echo, and then E. I'm just gonna print out the E, but before that, why not I just apply some command here. Yeah, the E. Now the multiply and assign into F. So save and go and refresh. Now this is minus, oh sorry, not the minus, actually the 1 2, but here we just didn't apply the BR, so we have to apply the BR again. BR, save, and now go to the browser and refresh the page. So now the 12, the value of that equation is 12. Now the EFG equal to, I'm just typing here the 7. Now the G and H equal to, I'm just typing here the 2. Okay, perfect. So what more I'm just gonna do here for now, here the G and divide and assign into H, and now save, and I'm just going there, echo BR, echo G, save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. Now this is 3.5, that means it's perfect. The last one is a modulus. We can learn the modulus too. So there, press enter again, and then I, and the value of the I am just putting as 8, and then the IJ, and the value for the J I'm just putting as the 9 for now, and just save. Well, this should be 18 and this should be 9. Okay, because I'm just going to apply the modulus for now. Press enter, and here I'm just going to apply update the value of the A. I just want to mod and assign the J with the I. So here let's just print out the I, echo BR, echo, and I, and save, and now go to the browser back and refresh the page. So now this is 0, the value of the I is 0. So this is called the modulus. Do you want to learn some more operators? Basically there are three different more kind of operators: the logical, the conditional operator, and the increment and decrement operator. I'm going to teach about the increment and decrement operator for now. I'm not going to teach about the logical and the comparison operator, because it's actually hard. The conditional or the comparison operator, it's actually hard without teaching you the conditional statement. So I'll just teach you the conditional statement in the next class. But for now, what I'm just going to simply teach about the increment and the decrement operator. So how the increment operator works basically. Now let's just press enter, or just go there first, and then what I'm just doing, the I is actually, I'm not going to use the I for now, just leave that I. I'm just typing here the var, I'm just creating a new variable, the var 5 actually, and the value for putting, I'm just putting it in a var 5 is 7, and then just press enter, and then here just apply the echo. Sorry, wrong place. I have to apply the echo there. Echo br, and then press enter, and then echo var 5 save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. So now this is 7. This is 7 because this should be 7. In fact, this must be 7. But if I just add the increment or decrement operator, so it will be changed. For example, I'm just going there. I'm applying the increment operator for now. The var 5 plus plus. The plus plus is an increment operator. Now refresh the page. Now this is 8. You can see that. So what the increment or decrement operator does, basically the increment operator does add the incrementation or the decrementation by 1 to any integer. As you can see that this one is the integer, the var 5, and where the value for the var 5 is 7. So now the var 5 is 8 because I just applied the increment operator with the var 5. So there is something more you just need to know. If I just remove that plus plus sign, or actually I'm just making this comment out and saving, and I'm just adding the plus plus sign here directly, plus plus. Now save, and I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. Now this is 7. I can apply the plus plus sign or the increment or the decrement operator. For now I'm just teaching you the increment operator. I can apply the increment operator with any element anywhere in the statement too, but when I just apply the plus plus here in a statement, so it's 7. Why? Because I'm just removing that, and I'm just gonna teach you some more things. I'm just adding the plus plus sign here just before the var 5. I can do that too. I can add the plus plus, the increment operator on the left side or the right side of the operand, wherever we want. So now refresh the page. Now you can see that this is again 8. What the mean of that? Basically when I was just applying the plus plus here, there, so it was not printing that object, only reading and saving and storing the value. The value of the var 5 was the 7, but then it just suddenly reads that there is an increment operator. So now it became 8 when I just print that. But when I just apply the plus plus sign or the increment sign operator here after the element, so what is happening? First of all, it's reading the var 5, so the server thinks that the value has been completed, and it just prints the var 5. Then after printing the var 5, it just reads the value of the plus plus, that the incrementation, but it can't do anything. So I'm just removing this from there. So now if I just add the plus plus sign here before the element, so now the server reads the plus plus sign, the increment operator first, then it just reads the variable. Now it's really clear for the server to understand that the value, the increment operator is applied to the variable or the integer or the number, whatever. So that's why when I just apply the plus plus sign before the object, so it's just printing the value of that, otherwise it's not printing. So I think this must be clear. I'm just pressing echo, and now I'm just typing another plus plus sign and the var 5, the same value, but first the echo and the br, which is really necessary, and now echo and the plus plus, and now the var 5, and save, and go to the browser and check that out and refresh the page. Now this is 9 because I just added the incrementation operator again. I can add this again and again and again. Okay, in the same way I can decrement that, echo br and the echo minus var 5. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. So now this is 8 again. Okay, And in the same way, if I just copy both them, means the equation 2, so save now, refresh, it's 7 again. In the same way, I can decrease the value.